Wonderful.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys like my preparation for my vacation that I'm going on in 2 days. I'm not gonna reveal to you guys where I'm going because you'll see after this video on my Instagram or on YouTube only. Probably you'll see where I'm going, so I don't want to break that to you guys right now, but there's so much that needs to get done. Like for example, right now everything looks like very like nice and put together, but this is like the reality of the situation, literally. So really need to get going, and let's actually make a to-do list. Should I do that? I think I should do that because I'm like, my brain is like all over the place. I'm really scatter-minded. So let's make a list. Okay, so my list is ready. So the first thing that I need to do is, this actually has nothing to do with the trip actually, like preps for the trip, but it's just for my like mental peace. So I need to clean up the filming room / the closet where I was initially. So basically I film there and I get ready there, so it gets so messy. And whenever I like go on a trip or if I'm like going somewhere, I want to come back to like a clean space. So I just want to clean that room. The rest of the studio is really like, it's doing fine, so I don't need to do like the cleanup of the rest of the studio. It's just that room specifically. Then I need to do I need to get my nails done, such a basic thing, but I haven't gotten my nails done since like March, so I'm really excited to get them done now. I have a very specific like color in mind as well. Uske alawa, I need to put together my outfits. So whenever I go for like a trip or something, I like to have like all of my outfits planned. So like right from like the shoes, the bag, the accessories, sunglasses, everything. So I need to do that. Then I need to pack, obviously. Then I need to get my hair scene sorted. Matlab basically I've ordered some extensions, hair extensions. I need to get them colored. So I'm going to have to find a hairstylist who can do that and like match it to my hair. So I need to do that. I don't know how I'm gonna pull that off. Then I need to make like a DIY body highlighter. I've been meaning to do this for a very long time, and this vacation I have to like take this with me. And then I just need to go shopping. Matlab mere khud ke liye to I don't think I need to buy anything. Mainly I have to go with Aditya. He needs to buy a few things, so I'm just gonna accompany him. But I think those were all the things, like the main things that I need to get out of the way in the next 2 days. So let's hope that we're able to do all of that. Let's start off right now by just cleaning that room because it's bothering me, and wo aisa hi hai since like 7 days. Okay, so this is what the walk-in looks like. It's a mess. So मैंने ऐसे एक ऊपर एक डोरी बांध दी है, and उस पे I like hang all of my backdrops so that I can film here and I can hide all of this. So basically मेरा पूरा beautiful wall चकनाचूर हो गया है. I don't know what I did wrong. It's probably कि मैंने इतना बड़ा एक ही single tape use किया है. So now I'm gonna like cut it and like stick it individually so that hopefully it works. But other than that, I think in terms of the mess, it's not too bad. थोड़ा बहुत है mess. This is a little bit of a mess, like the area where I get ready. So I think I should clear that out and then we can move on to the wall. So I just got done cleaning. It took me like half an hour to do the whole thing. I don't know why I was procrastinating, but in order to reward myself, I got some lassi. I mean, अगर मैं clean नहीं करती तो भी मैं लस्सी पीती. But this is mango lassi. Comment down below if you like mango lassi or like regular lassi. I personally like regular lassi, but then wrong वाला deliver हो गया, so we're just gonna roll with it. But for today, I think that's it. I'm going to pick up the camera tomorrow and get done with the rest of the tasks because today I need to get done with editing. That's a little bit on priority, so we'll get done with that and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so it is the next day. Yesterday was so hectic. Like yesterday night I slept at like 5:36 in the morning, and I was just getting done with all the backlog so that when I'm on my vacation I don't have to worry about all of those things. So today's plan, so today is by the way the only day that I have left. Tomorrow I'm leaving in the morning at 5:30, so today is all I've got. And My entire to-do list is pending. I need to go get my nails done, which is, I feel like, going to be the most like time-consuming thing. I need to pack. I need to figure out my outfits. I need to do a little bit of shopping. And regarding my hair is such a mess. It literally looks like I have dandruff in my hair, like if you look at me like up close. But it's just so much dry shampoo build up, so I need to like take care of that as well. I think in the beginning of the video I had mentioned that I need to pick up my extensions and get them colored. That's not gonna happen. Realistically, I was being too ambitious. It's just not gonna happen. I haven't even gotten them picked up. Color karane ki to dur ki baat hai. So I'll just save that for like the wedding, which is gonna happen later on. I'll use my extensions tabhi. Abhi ke liye for my trip I don't need my extensions. So I'm just gonna work with my natural hair. Hopefully if I get the time I'll go to Shikhar's salon, my friend Shikhar, and then I'll get like a hair wash done. But right now I just need to dump everything in my suitcase. So what I do usually is I pack last minute, like I'll pack aaj raat ko, but in the meanwhile I like to throw everything in the suitcase. So I'll keep my suitcase open in the middle of the room, and as the day goes I'll like throw everything jo bhi mujhe yaad aata hai. And also on my phone I keep a notes running, like a tab open, and I'll like keep writing things jo bhi mujhe yaad aata hai that I need to probably buy or add to my suitcase. So that's what is happening. I'm going to do a little bit of packing right now, but I thought while I'm packing I should do a little bit of a mask and just pamper my skin, because there's literally no self-care in this video. Usually there is a lot of it, but is bar honestly time nahi hai. So I'm gonna start off by washing and cleansing my face, obviously, and for that I'm gonna be using my all-time favorite Mamaearth charcoal face wash. Now this has activated charcoal and coffee in it. So activated charcoal is actually one of my favorite ingredients because it draws out the dirt and impurities from your skin and makes your skin look so clean and fresh. Similarly, clay also deeply penetrates within the pores and removes the excess oil. Now the charcoal range is dermatologically tested and it's free from sulfates, parabens, silicones, and it's also suitable for all skin types. After which I'm gonna go in with the charcoal face mask. So this is the C3 face mask, which has charcoal, coffee and clay in it. If you've been following me for a while, you know what I feel about this face mask. It's my all-time favorite. Like this combo, two-step combo is my favorite. So Mamaearth has a plant goodness initiative. So every time you buy from them, Mamaearth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. And by 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of this initiative. And they're also plastic positive, so they recycle more plastic than they use. They now recycle over 240 metric tons of plastic every single month. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on my face for 15 minutes. And if you guys want to check out this combo, I'm gonna be leaving it in the description box below, of course. You can also, by the way, check these products out on the Mamaearth app. I'll link the app as well in the description box below. But if you use my code MRIDUL2021, you'll get a 20% off on mamaearth.in. Other than that, you can purchase these products on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. Now while this is drying, let's move on with our packing. Very upar se packing. So I have my suitcase out. I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit everything in one suitcase, let's be real. But abhi ke liye maine sab ऊपर से सब dump कर दिया है. I think I should start packing my makeup bag and like my accessories pouch, because I think that I can do right now. Okay, so I am ready and I'm going to my nail appointment, as I mentioned earlier. So basically I'm going to this place in Bandra. I've gone to them I think once or twice before, and the place isn't like super like bougie and super cute, but it is very affordable. And on top of that, the nails that they overlay are so good quality, like they last on me, at least the feet extensions last on me for like 2 months, hand also lasts for like a month. So that is why I go to this place and I really like it. I'll link it in the description box below in case you're interested, but that's where I'm going. I've booked my Ola right now, Ola Auto. I love traveling in the auto. If you didn't know that about me, that's a fun fact. I don't really like traveling by cabs. My parents don't like it at all when I travel by autos because they think it's unsafe. I don't think so at all. But I love traveling by autos. So should be here in 3 minutes. So let me show you my outfit and then I can leave. Okay, so this is what my outfit looks like. Just need to throw on some chappals and I'm ready. Okay, so the scent for today is, I think, gonna be this one by Chloe. It's a relatively new scent and I haven't used it a lot, so this is what I'm gonna be wearing. So I'm back home and it is 11:30 in the night. So basically after I got my nails done, I ended up going to the mall to shop for a bit. मैंने actually personally कुछ ज़्यादा shopping की नहीं है. It was mainly for Aditya. I'll show you what I got, a few things that I picked up. But before that, let me actually show you my nails. So I went for this blue turquoise sort of a color. I did not want to go with like my basic white nails, so I did this, and also I got my feet also done, extensions in the same color, and I'm obsessed. I love the way they look. But anyway, coming back to the haul, so the first thing that I picked up is this really cute tote bag. Oh, and also I picked up this sanitizer holder from Bath & Body Works. This is what it looks like. I really needed like a big bag. I love tiny bags, but I needed a big bag because I'm gonna be carrying like 3 or 4 cameras, my GoPro, my vlogging camera, my film camera, and then probably my Polaroid as well. And I need to like fit all of that in this bag with like other stuff. So needed a big bag, and I got like a nude color so that it goes with all of my outfits. Other than that, I picked up these rings from H&M. So I'm gonna be not wearing any like real jewelry. So I've like removed all of my rings also, my real rings. So this is what I'm gonna be taking with me. And then I got these really cute pastel blue sunglasses, very like retro. I kind of regret buying these, to be honest. This is the only thing that I regret buying because this was an impulse buy for sure. And then the last thing that I picked up was this chain. This is not for me. This is for Aditya. I'm going to force him to wear this. I know he probably won't, but just something that I picked up. That's actually it. So I had actually ordered these online from Zara. Look how cute they are. But I'm not going to be able to wear these because they're a size big for me. So I did take these to the mall with me to like return them. But by the time I like reached Zara, उन्होंने बंद कर दिया था. So because of like COVID and everything like shuts down a lot earlier. I think 9:30 को तो उन्होंने पूरा shutter down कर दिया था. So I couldn't get these like changed. So I'm gonna keep them and online ही मैं return करवा दूँगी. But I unfortunately can't take these with me on my trip. So I'm just gonna take the Zara ones that I picked up the last time. The ones with like the pearl studs, those go with everything, so I'll just take those. So that's it for my haul. Now let's just get started with the packing because tomorrow in the morning I have to leave at 5:30. The flight is at 7:30, so we're just gonna leave really early. And I need to pack. I need to go take a shower, I need to wash my hair, I need to edit this video and get it ready. So I don't think I'm going to be actually sleeping tonight, but that's okay. Let's just get done with the packing. Okay, so my dumping technique worked, the one that I had showed you in the morning, where you just like dump everything that you can think of, and then later on you can go on and like categorize everything. So I actually did try out all of my outfits, which is why I'm like sitting in a robe right now. I tried them all out and picked out all the accessories that would go with it. So these are my main outfits, and then this is something that I carry for like each trip. So basically this has some emergency outfits. So this actually has an LBD, a little black dress, which is very easy to style. It has like very versatile pieces which you can style in like different ways. So I keep this always like whenever I travel. Definitely unnecessary, but I need to have it. Then this is a bag which is actually stitched by my nanny, and I always take this with me on every single trip, and I store all of my like delicate inner wear in here. मेरा toiletries का bag. Let me actually show you a few things that I'm carrying. Dry shampoo is a must. I get these minis from Nykaa. And then I also have Kailash Jeevan in here because every time I don't carry Kailash Jeevan, I end up needing it on a trip. So now I just carry it. Then I have an eye cream. I need an eye cream because when you wear makeup, at least my eyes get very weird and dry underneath. And also one more thing, using this eye cream, I've noticed that my eyelashes have gotten a lot thicker and like longer. I feel like that's the case with all eye creams because you're like moisturizing your lashes. So I've been like really consistent with my eye cream and a perfume. So I actually like to pick out a different scent for each vacation because I personally associate scents to memories. So for this like trip vacation, I've picked up this one. This is by YSL, and this actually, fun fact, this was gifted to me by Aditi, that quirky miss. So this is what I'm going to be carrying. Other than that, I just have like basic stuff like toothbrush, lens solution, makeup remover, hair serum, etc. You guys know that. I am so surprised that everything's fitting in this bag. Like literally, I have everything right here, and I think I'm gonna be able to fit everything in this carry-on. Oh my god. Okay, makeup pouch. So makeup pouch में I'm just carrying like basic makeup, to be honest. ऐसा कुछ अलग नहीं है, but I'll show you some of my like favorite must-haves. Okay, eyebrow razor. I need it. I don't know what's up with my eyebrows and just like my hair in general. It's growing so fast, so I need to like remove my extra like under eyes almost every other day. Sunscreen, this is such a must. This is by the Dermaco, and this is their 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel. I have oily skin, so I really like this one. Then I've been loving this blush from Cuffs and Lashes. It's so cute and it's so tiny and just fits really well. Mini foundation from MAC. I love it. It's, I mean, comparatively affordable and very easy to travel with, and it's like the perfect amount of coverage, you know, so I really like to travel with it. But I think that's basically it for my makeup pouch. Uske alawa just basic stuff. I don't need to like explain all of that. I keep all of my hair accessories like rubber bands, bobby pins, my mini comb. So this is actually my travel pouch only, and everything stays in here. So I don't like remove things from in here, and on every trip I just take this and put it in my bag. And the last thing that I'm adding is this little tiny purse. So as you can see, I've gone for a minimalistic approach. I'm just kidding, this is not minimalistic by any means, but pehle se kafi kam hai. So usually I carry like 3-4 bags, 3-4 shoes. This time I'm actually carrying only one pair of shoes and 2 bags. So this is the first one, and then I'm carrying the big tote. And this bag, I've already kept it ready. So I have a sanitizer already ready in here. I have a lipstick, and then I have a compact already in here. So I'm just gonna put this in here, and guys, we're done. I think we're almost done. I'm gonna go through my packing list once again, and I'll check it with you guys later. I completely forgot that I needed to pack my tote bag. This is what I'm going to be carrying to the airport as well. I've added a few things already. So I have a sanitizer, obviously. Then I have a compact because I'm very oily. And then I have a lipstick. This is from Verified, and this is the shade Monday. I am obsessed with this color, and it's just a very nice like everyday nude. So I need to have this in my bag. So adding all of that to the little pouch right here. This is my little wallet that I carry, which has my cash. So I'm gonna add that in as well. सबसे बड़ा pouch है ये, जिसमें I've added all of my cords, my chargers, all of that's in here. Then this tiny little pouch has my GoPro in it, just so that it stays protected. I have another camera. This is the Pentax K1000. Basically, this is a film camera, and it's very, very heavy and very heavy duty. But I really want to take it with me because I want to like capture a lot of moments in film. Then we have these funnels, peeing funnels, so you can basically pee standing up. I forgot to take this the last time, and I really regretted it, so I'm not forgetting this time. Need to have this in my purse. Then I have some pepper spray, obviously something that you need again. I'm gonna actually attach this to the handle so that I have like easy access. I think this is the last thing that I'm adding, just some M&Ms, something sweet basically, in case like I get hungry or I need a little bit of glucose. So that's it for now. I do need to add my laptop and my phone charger, but I'll do that in the morning. Okay, so I did change into something a little bit more comfortable, and also removed my contacts because I'm really tired. It is 2:45, exactly 2:45 in the morning. I was just editing and wrapping up some stuff before we can leave. I do need to wake up at 5, so my goal is to sleep by 3. 2 घंटा एटलीस्ट सोना है मुझे. So now I need to go and wash my hair and also shave my body. Oh my god. ठीक है, I'll manage, but that's what I'm gonna do right now. I have to get it done in the next 15 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I was successful. It took me 20 minutes, so like 5 minutes ऊपर नीचे हो गया, but I am done. But before I go to sleep, let's make our DIY body highlighter. रात के 3 बजे ये सब मुझे करना है, बट मुझे ये करना है बिकॉज मेरा टू डू लिस्ट जो मैंने बनाया था स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो में इज सच अ फ्लॉप. आई फील लाइक आई डिड नॉट इवन लाइक डू half of the stuff, but I really want to make this highlighter. I'm very excited about it, and this trip is like the perfect time to like use it. So let's go make it. It shouldn't take like more than like 2-3 minutes. Okay, so I have a container right here, probably not the most sturdy one, but this is all I could find. And I have this highlighter which I've shattered, and then I'm gonna go in with a body lotion because I will be applying lotion, right, to my body. So it just made more sense to do a body lotion. I was initially gonna do like an oil, but I feel like oil will be too sticky. It's like really hot in October. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a dessert of sorts, but it actually looks very, very pretty. Unfortunately, you can't tell right now. Abhi raat hai, तो इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, but I'm happy with this. So it's 3:20 and I need to go to sleep. I need to wake up at 5, so I have 1.5 hours to sleep. I'm okay with that. At least कुछ तो मिला मुझे सोने को. So अभी मैं सोने जा रही हूँ. I'll catch you guys in the morning. I almost missed my flight. Thankfully Aditya called me and I got ready in like 7 minutes and the Uber's waiting downstairs. So I'm gonna leave right now and I'm gonna start another vlog which is gonna be like my travel vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was a very like raw and very, I would say, like unedited sort of a video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.